In this video you will learn how to fix this song isn't available in your country on Instagram, update your Instagram app, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version to avoid any music related bugs. Check your internet connectivity, ensure you have a stable connection as poor connectivity can cause music errors on Instagram. Use a different song, sometimes certain tracks are restricted by region, try selecting another available song from your Instagram library. Switch to a business or creator account. If you're using a personal account, switching to a business or creator account may give you broader access to different music. Use a VPN. If the song in the region is restricted, connect through a VPN may allow you to access the music available in other different countries. Contact Instagram support. If none of the above is available, report the issue through Instagram's help center for further assistance. Now you know how to fix this song is not available in your country on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.